I'm done. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. To all the newcomers, welcome. My name is Deja, aka Dej, whatever you want to call me. And if you're not new, welcome back. So today we're going to do something new. I wanted to get into doing like Mask Monday. I think this time, which is winter where I am, it is like very essential for us to really focus on our skin. My skin tends to get dry in this winter. My skin and my lips have been like extremely dry. So I'm going to do Mask Monday every Monday. So today we're going to start with a mask. Okay, so today the mask that we are going to try is by When. And I discovered this at my job. I've never even heard of this company before, but they do have a ton of masks at my job. So I think it's called When the Last Choice, actually. So that's the company, When the Last Choice. This mask is supposed to be extra hydrating, and I'm going to read it to you. So when your skin is dry and needs extra hydration, When the Last Choice Biocellulose Sheet Mask soaked in intensely hydrating serum formulated with I'll put everything on the screen. Will help to drench your skin in long-lasting moisture. So it says it's for all skin types, and it contains like one sheet mask. So let's get into this, and I will be giving you guys a review. So this mask is supposed to be all natural, and this mask was made in Korea. So here is this. And here's the front of it. Here's the package. So we're going to put it on because I have to go to my auntie's wedding, and it says that you're supposed to sit for 30 minutes. So the first thing you do before any mask is just cleansing your face and drying your face. So I'm going to go get my Kiehl's Calendula collection so I can go ahead and cleanse my face for you guys. I'll see you in a minute. So if you guys have really been following my skincare routines, which I'll link above or below, so just check that out, you should really know that I live by the micellar cleansing water. It's like an extra step before you actually cleanse your face with a cleanser, and I actually really love to use it. So I'm going to be using my cellular cleansing water by Kiehl first. So this is how it looks, and I always shake mine up, but again, you don't have to shake yours, but I shake mine up because the oils sit at the bottom and you really want it to mix in. And then after that, you just want to take your face cloth or whatever you use to wash your face. So I have this. These are really good. I always get these at the dollar store, and they come in a 3-pack. And then I'm going to take my Kiehl's Calendula Deep Face Foaming Cleansing Wash. And I'm just going to put a few drops because I don't need to over cleanse. About it is that it has like an easy opening section, so you don't have to go grab any scissors and cut it open. If you really look, some don't even have, some packages, like not even facial masks, but some don't even have that. You really do have to cut it open. So I really like the ease and convenience of this. So this is what it looks like when you take it out. Ugh, it's really wet. Like you can see it dripping down my head. It's like a jelly consistency. Alright, now I've opened it all the way. I think I'll look like Jason with this on. But anyways, you go ahead and tear this back off of the sheet that it was on. And then this is the actual sheet mask. They're always cold when you put them on. It's terrible. Alright, you just want to smooth it out onto your face. So you guys can't see it, but it does have a, you can see the mask outline like with the jelly texture on it. When you get this mask, you'll be able to see it outline, because I thought it was like an extra clear sheet, but it isn't. It's the actual gel on the mask that you can see. So it says to let this sit for 30 minutes, so I will be letting this sit for 30 minutes. I'll see you guys later. I do want to come back and just say I like that it kind of goes over the lip. I don't know if it's supposed to, but I brought it like over my lip a little because my lip is like really dry. And this actually feels like really moisturizing over my lip, so I'm going to keep it like that. But also I am setting a timer for 30 minutes, so I won't go past it. I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. Okay guys, so it has been 30 minutes and it's time to take the mask off. Actually, before I take it off, I wanted to do something. And it's a jade facial roller, and I just wanted to try this over it. So I'm going to do a separate review on this, but this is how it looks. And then it states that it's supposed to help with redness and puffiness under the eye and fine lines and wrinkles. Obviously, I don't have any of that, but I do have dark circles under my eye. So I'm just gonna roll it on, and this actually feels really good. I totally can see doing this every morning or every night. This feels really nice. So now I'm going to take the mask off. Oh, God. So I'm just going to massage it in the leftover. Actually feels really nice, and my face really does feel hydrating. This is my problem area where I get super oily, and I think it's just from my skin being like so dry. So guys, I really am going to do Mask Monday, like every Monday. I'm just going to try out new masks every single Monday, and if you have a mask that you want me to try out, please leave it in the comment below, because I will go get it and try it out for you guys. I'm trying to do something new, and I think it would just be cool to keep trying out masks. I'm going to do high-end versus low-end. I'm going to just do a whole mixture of them. So if you guys have any recommendations, or you ever wanted to see something, leave it in the comments below and I'll try it for you. So now I'm all dry or put in, and it really does feel really refreshing. My skin feels really soft. It's still cold to the touch because obviously the gel is cold, but it feels really good. My face feels nice and like really hydrated. The top of my lip feels super hydrated, but my lips are so dry, so I'm gonna put something on them. But besides that, I really like this mask. I got the mask for $7, which I think is a decent price for that mask. You let it sit for 30 minutes, you rub it in, super easy application, and it doesn't take up too much time. I think it really does what it says it's supposed to do. So I like it, and I give this one a plus. So I'll show you the packaging again. And then I'll try to find it somewhere online, and then I'll leave a link below, but I know it's at my job, so I'll just link it to the website on my job so you guys can have that link too. So I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys liked it. Bye.